Hey guys, me Rudi, Peoria Ford. Today we're going to talk about windshields. Arizona is a construction state, so on your insurance policy you should definitely get glass coverage or windshield protection and zero deductible, because if you're traveling a lot to work or commuting a lot to work on the freeway, you're going to have a lot of rock chips. You're going to have a lot of rock chips and rock chips and little dimples in your windshield from construction and so forth. So let's look at a couple windshields today. This is an original manufacturer's window. This is a Subaru. But you could tell on your window if it's original manufacturer because they'll say the name, Subaru. Original manufacturer window, and you could tell because it says Nissan. So sometimes when you're going through these glass companies, when you're using these glass companies to do your windows, they use not the original manufacturer's glass, and that glass is a little bit softer. And when that glass, whether it's a little bit softer, whether it's a little bit harder, it's more, the rock chips, they hit it and it doesn't resist the rock chips, it doesn't resist the rocks and so forth and so on. This right here, it's an Infinity, it's a vehicle here, and it's not the original manufacturer's glass. And you can tell because it doesn't say the brand, it doesn't say Infinity, or it doesn't say Ford. It says Pilkington. So the whole point is, from my personal experience and from what I've seen, is that when you don't get that original manufacturer's glass, that glass is just soft and rocks hit it and just chips up and just looks real beat up. So what you want to do, what you want to make sure is, if you get glass coverage and you get your glasses replaced, you want to make sure that you ask for the original manufacturer's glass. You know, that you want the original manufacturer's glass. You don't want that cheap, not necessarily, you don't want a lower grade. You don't want a glass that took less money to produce. You want high quality. You want the same glass that was in there. Just a friendly tip from your auto expert, Rudi here at Peoria Ford.